Ultimately, what every customer needs is to be able to cut hard materials fast, economically, and with high precision. To realize this, Amada has developed the CTB400, a bandsaw that uses exclusive carbide-tipped blades. The CTB400 is based on 3 development concepts. To realize high-speed cutting of hard materials, automated cutting conditions set via CNC control, and an improved working environment. The functions and features of the CTB400, along with the development concepts, are introduced in the following sequences. The first concept is high-speed cutting of hard materials. The CTB400 cuts alloy tool steels 3 times faster than conventional machines. It is also capable of cutting 200 mm diameter carbon steel for machine structural 5 times faster than conventional machines, so cutting time is reduced to only 1 minute in this particular case. A narrower blade guide than conventional machines is made possible by employing vertical machine structure. Since the blade guide width is automatically adjusted to the minimum required for the material used, blade deflection occurrence has been reduced, thus resulting in stable, high-speed cutting. And newly employed front and rear vices allow material clamping very close to the blade. Consequently, one of the most serious problems in high-speed cutting, material vibration, has been substantially reduced. Deterioration of the blade and cutting surface has been minimized through reduction of vibration and shattering during cutting, especially with respect to the workpiece. Since the front and rear vices separate the workpiece from the blade immediately after cutting, chips are prevented from entering between the blade and the workpiece. This vice clamping design allows for a minimal 15 mm remnant. The third new technology employed is the BCTB carbide blade intended exclusively for the CTB400. It cuts hard materials 2 times faster and mild steel 5 times faster than conventional machines. And it lasts longer too. This specially designed carbide-tipped blade has no tooth set, which is seen with conventional blades. So, cutting surface finish has been increased from 45 microns using conventional machines to 15 microns with the CTB400. High-speed cutting of both hard materials and mild steel has thus been realized, thanks to these new machine and blade technologies. Cutting dimensions are naturally set automatically. The material end position, which is used as the machining reference, is automatically sensed too. With the material clamped in the rear vise, it is then butted up against the front vise in order to sense the material end position, then automatically fed to the preset length. An automatic adjusting type wire brush assembly constantly brushes away the chips, thus maintaining optimum conditions and extending the service life at the same time.